Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I will show you how to set up a proxy if you are working with the Tor browser. Download and install the browser if you have not already done so. Open the menu on the top right and select Settings. Next, select the Connection tab. You need to find the Configure how Tor browser connects to the Internet section. Click on Settings next to it. Make the I use a proxy to connect to the Internet box active. Select the protocol type on the right. Enter the IP and port of your proxy in the active appropriate fields. If you are going to use a free proxy, then you do not need to enter anything else. But if your proxy is a personal one, then also enter the username and password. When everything is entered, click on the OK button. Done! The proxy is set, and you will be connected via the proxy server's IP when working with the Tor browser. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.